to discuss no kunyugo chibe sitali kogendoro.
You see, innocent na ndo buyaga muri egetu kyoboraria igonda te ko basaba selitaria Yesu. Mocho mobeke abarari baino isiko bagende chisukuru goeta. You see, akero okorigereria nkorerororo a system ya education ya private system, also private schools. Asa ya kire country ye gwata population ya nane abanafunzi biwe ni gweta ni public schools. So akaroka nyoranga abarimu barikiri towards public schools, a population ya abanafunzi babwata orderenke. Chisukuru buna bono chiri chiase ite binyoro, my brother, a system ye kurukwa a new curriculum is not being taught there. Abanafunzi nabatenge gentaka kore kanekia no moibori gusibyo mwana moya kabagi kabwate getabu ime bagende sukuru na ndabaira na lunch. Not much that is happening. Of course, yes. Now, when I'm going to Tamabarico or Skidas Kinevirogo, but that is not enough. Again, to carry a kibon carry hardware. A hardware got Tamabari because never got me hardware second to Navaku's Chiki Bank. Like a software in terms of your impact knowledge, which is a problem. I don't know a system where Avana Batamating and Kibaka Soma, Avana Batamatin or Nogosoma and the Bachi Great China. Tiga.
Ninja Golibaga.
Escuro Talivari Mugoka, Nande, again to question management, the education, yes, a country, in Toricota, education, your education, Terico, now telling Havana.
Lakini, from what I say, Havana, busy Vivagan, don't go to Havana, Oisoveka, Rimu School. Munabona serikali yale kote banga ye iro mwana skuru no atabuwa te uniform ekaro mwana ko iro skuru innocent ko atabuwa te uniform itariko be skuru na sa bana bako genda systems kiri mujaba ari mubago somia bana the materials kirororo aba ari mu they complaining no nae whatever wekanga besa njira ende te skuru nkichibe sijali kujire skuru kare taxi ende te wakanu. What we are saying ngelina ki serikali ero eso boraibono ikagende te ko concentrate ko beka chiwe samu choko ende campaign abana baito bako wende skuru batabuati uniform batabuati no nyene abalimu abo bale skuru abugwate serikali yabekire basomia abana babekire eso bonge so kokaye ratio osikoliga quality of education ingere twate ige wato mu esunyo kete kaera. So innocent ke toko ta wangelinga education is wholesome ebitabu infrastructure abalimu ebintu byonse lakini bese ko ta bangana abalimu boka toko likegera abalimu bako kenga abantu abakanya bako kenga abalimu balikirwa abakanya bako kenga omwana no likirwe mwalimu lakini abana bali bako gende school batali konyara gosoma. Is wrong. Osikoligere nonyene bitabu enjira bikoro muna asania ta bangelinga abantu bako genda bako none bitabu karo biko gende school abantu bako ligie kickback. This is what we are saying. Konya serikali go fail kwa ga education go eliminating asama tuka mangara je go we don't have a future. Wancho muligeri ekera
Entrando gaiga yo mate innocent ngakende na ande to ada tanga igo kare bano ko wakeria serikali lakini tikandara kwane ngani
don't tete ko ba fair because tingo get the ninja moko get the opinion because
endo na ro ta baga yo kulika valimu whose responsibility is that?
The government.
So this is not our favor. Nagotomaji serikali kuchichukuru. Whose responsibility ere? This is serikali. This is not our favor. Yani teketika yotutika ukebeka ngaba serikali njali kitaba alimu milioni ya mo. This is not our favor. Turangiri crusade tuchikotangaza ngaba alimu mbali gitu. Ento tobwana takota yabaga igumwana omuntu nelinga ki bona amana tobwana tokwana lunga ki abayibulira abana bayinu chisukuru asenge njukire gento kya put in place ogamba tatabe minister of education nga ki bona omuntu arabo babonde bwensi twabekire nibo yonsi eli abekira se tamwe abana banyole chisukuru. On top of that mbalere gento oyonda amosi atabaga ekero utaete gototebi chibesa chiabere kire ministry TS ne bwate chibesa chiaye TS yo mali tali allocation ya chibesa chibekire TS 340 billion echitali besa echine chiokolika abalimu so echitali besa chira allocated capitation to schools so ekero okolika abalimu this is a different area completely etali part of education inki we expect ti abana baenda konyora school ekero kwa baire ese n'abantu bakonda kuumira
okay